If you're experiencing high ping while playing Elden Ring, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you reduce high ping. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable connection than Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Elden Ring, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use the internet, such as streaming services or downloads, can consume bandwidth and increase ping. Step 3. Change server region. In the game settings, check if you can change the server region. Connecting to a server that is geographically closer to you can help reduce ping. Select a server that is optimal for your location. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal performance. This may include enabling quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic, updating firmware, or changing the channel to reduce interference from other networks. Step 5. Use a VPN. If your ISP is causing high ping due to throttling, consider using a VPN. A VPN can help route your connection through a less congested path, potentially lowering your ping. Choose a VPN known for low latency and fast speeds. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.